Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is about how to create and how to, how to create a physical product. Maybe you have one already. Maybe you've been thinking about it. Maybe you have something that's completely done, but you don't know how to market it. This will show you what Builderall can do to you with you. I mean, this will show how Builderall can help you achieve your goals in delivering a physical product to the masses, to your niche market, to anybody, and make your dreams of having your own business come true. I'm gonna show you what Builderall can do for you, other than building web pages and having an autoresponder. It will actually go into I would actually go into a core. I'm gonna leave this here so you can see that people make mistakes and they're still doing affiliate marketing. These will show you how to basically start your physical product from the beginning to the end, and get your business going, get your business started. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so we're on this side, and this is how to uh, do a physical product. If you have if you have anything that you want to promote and you want to sell, you do scarves, sweaters, things like that. This course inside of Builderall will teach you how to do that from beginning to end. It will teach you how to do a product, a select criteria for your product, a product research. It would actually teach you how to do a keyword trend analysis. It will teach you how to do an e-commerce store. It teach you how to scale and market your product once it's have a little success, and how to make it bigger, and how to go to the masses and make profit and all that good stuff. And what this would also is this course also has is you can book a 30-minute consultation with Jackie right here, and see where she can help you and where you can take your business to the next level. So basically, that's it for this. If you're really interested in starting your physical product business, maybe you already have a physical product. You're already selling that physical product. You're already selling sweaters. You're already selling whatever it is you're making at a local level. This will teach you how to do, shipping, scaling your marketing, how to launch your product, how to start the e-commerce store, how to, do a simple sales letter for your product or products. So basically, that is it. If you're really interested in doing that, the links are below, and build something beautiful with Builderall, because Builderall, I think, in my opinion, is the best web builder out there. So let me show you a few things before I go. Of course, you have the Cheetah website builder, which builds your website, your mailing boss autoresponder, your video hosting. As far as like e-commerce or let's say affiliate marketing, these three right here are basically all you need. But you're trying to sell a physical product, you might need more stuff, right? So we have e-learning. We have an animated VSL video builder. If you know what that is, you should be excited. Social proof, a script generator, a mock-up studio for your product. Let me show you this because this might be important for somebody that's trying to launch its product. Launching a physical product, and it's taking a while, but I might. Right here. You see that right there? let's say you having you created your own little cream. You can put your logo here, your logo here, your logo here, and it will be super awesome. Maybe you have some pills. Maybe you have some jams, and you can put the jam logo here, and everything. It's taking a little bit to load, but you get the picture. I mean, there you go. And some of them are pictures, some of them are videos. I've used some of these templates for my products and the stuff that I do. I am mainly an affiliate marketer, but here you go. When I'm doing a report, or I have a little PDF that I just made, I use these ones right here. So yeah, I'm trying to keep this video short. So this is me, Douglas, signing out. And enjoy life with enjoy life with the ones that you love, and start a business. If you really want to get your business going and move up and make it your full-time thing instead of the side hustle, try Builderall and see how it goes. It doesn't hurt to try, but Builderall is the best. All right, so I will see you in another video. Enjoy life with the ones that you love. This is Douglas Valenzuela signing out.